Saving money is not fun. Saving money is not a fun. I mean, people don't want to save money. People want to spend their money. People want to enjoy themselves. Especially in this festive season, people want to enjoy life. They've been working January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. December, for Christ's sake, they want to enjoy themselves. But you know what? If you can't save effectively, you cannot invest effectively. In fact, you don't even know how to invest. Majority of men today don't know how to invest in one or little ways. So imagine that you earn so much in the last 11 months of this year and you could not invest $1 or 100K of that money. And now you are spending so much, at the end of the day you go broke. If you are earning money as a guy or as a man and you don't know how to invest your money, I am telling you, at the end of the day you'll be broke. If you don't even know how to save your money, because a lot of you guys don't know how to save your money. Saving money is a skill, just like investing money is a skill. I have this rule I called 75 15 10. And in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how this thing works for me. This is how I start. This is how I'm investing my money. This is how I'm saving my money. I invest 75% of all the money I earn in a year. I spend the minimum of 15% of this money, and I save 10% minimum. You can use 75% of the money you earn in a year to fund your lifestyle, to buy food, to travel, depending on what you are earning or how much you are earning. As you develop yourself, grow your confidence, be the man you want to be, alongside knowing what financial literacy means, having a mindset that no matter how you develop your body, your muscle, develop yourself, now you are more intelligent than before, without knowing how to invest your money. Because let me tell you something, personal development go alongside with financial literacy, because you need money to help build your life, not just by building your body. You need to know how to save effectively, and you need to know how to invest effectively. These are the things that matters most. I'm not a guru who is there to tell you what to do or what not to do, but I am telling you because this is what I'm doing. I'm not spending the little money I'm earning. I'm not spending everything. I'm saving 10% of those money. Remember the 75 15 10% rules. Whatever money you earn in a year, you are spending only 75% of it. And that means that under this 75%, you are managing your lifestyle, you are buying clothes, you are paying for your rent, or you are whatever your rent, whatever way you are living, you are taking care of your kids, your family, your wife, your external family, your friends, whatever. It's under this 75%. So you can grow. 50% minimum must be invest. Literally invest, not saved. Invest in real estate, for Christ's sake. There's a lot of platform which I'll be sharing on this channel that you can invest in within Nigeria, and it's legit, it's real. The third thing rather is save 10% at least. These are the two things you do first when you earn your money. You first save 10%, you invest 15%, then the remaining 75% you can do away with it. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for the next video. See you in the next one.